What's going on, everybody? This is your WOF Outlook and Discussion for Sunday, April 9th, 2023. And before we get into today's video, I hope everyone is doing well, remaining positive, and as always, staying blessed. All right, you guys, taking a look at the surface map this morning, you can see across much of the United States is pretty much cool, probably downright chilly, depending on your tolerance for the weather, you guys. But as you can take a look, not too much is really going on here across the Pacific Northwest around the Seattle, Portland area. You can see there's still some showers, some heavy showers going on. Well, I'm not going to say heavy showers. So we're going to say some showers going on, probably some wintry weather here across parts of the mountainous region. But some of these showers will probably be heavy throughout the day, and we could see some isolated flash flooding with some of this rain here across parts of the Pacific Northwest. We move on down to California. You guys pretty much dry and cool here. Same goes for parts of the Rockies, you guys, as we move on into parts of the northern United States. No, nothing much is going on too much from Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, into the Northeast. Nothing but just cool, cold weather going on, you guys. As we come down towards the south here, you can see across parts of Oklahoma and the Texas Panhandle and Kansas, we do have some showers and thunderstorms, and we also do have a marginal risk for severe weather here across parts of West Texas and the Texas Panhandle. We'll quickly take a look at that in a second, you guys. And as you move on further to the south and east across the Gulf Coast, you can see pretty cloudy and cool here for the most part. We 61 degrees in New Orleans here. Yeah, this showers, these leftover showers moving off the east coast here into the Atlantic with this disturbance, with the front extending all the way down to the central Florida peninsula here with some showers and thunderstorms around the Tampa Bay, Orlando area, and I'm sure throughout the day across the southern Florida peninsula there will be some showers and thunderstorms, you guys. All right, now as we take some of this stuff off, you guys. I want to just take some of this off real quick. We're going to go through the marginal risk here across West Texas quickly, you guys. All right, let me get to it. All right, and we're ready. All right, and as you can see here, a marginal risk, even extending into parts of New Mexico here, eastern New Mexico, but for the most part, the marginal risk does include Abilene, Texas, Snyder, Haskell, Lubbock, Midland, just about to San Angelo. And even as we go into parts of extreme eastern New Mexico here, um, Clovis looks like in Lovington. Those two counties look like they're the main ones in this marginal risk here. And as we even go to extend all the way up to Amarillo, Texas, you guys. And as we quickly take a look at the probability, no tornado risk. Good news. Hail, 5% hail probability. You have to look out for some hail here later on today, you guys, and even for a few isolated strong wind gusts as well across parts of West Texas, eastern New Mexico, and parts of the Texas Panhandle, you guys. So that's it for this one, you guys. As far as the convective outlook, you can see here the marginal risk across Texas. Now, what we're about to really get into is the Gulf low that's still forecast for, what is that? Tuesday, you guys. Tuesday, Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, Tuesday and Wednesday. You can see here Tuesday morning. Here's courtesy of Tropical Tibbets. This is the GFS, you guys. Tuesday morning, you can see we have the energy here in the Gulf of Mexico. And as we move this on out, you can see it starts to spin up a low pressure here. Nothing organized, nothing tropical in nature at all. This is probably not even subtropical, you guys. This is just one of those Gulf lows that we commonly have throughout the winter time and spring every now and then. But as you can see, as we go into Wednesday, the GFS keeps the Gulf low very much hugging the coast here as it spins up rain across southeast Louisiana and possibly southern Mississippi here. And as it continues on throughout Wednesday night into Thursday, it moves it on inland, you guys. So nothing very strong here at all, just a weak little low that's going to form and probably give some breezy, windy conditions along the coast and some rain showers as we move further inland here, you guys. And as you can see throughout the day on Wednesday, southern Mississippi could possibly getting in on some of this heavy rain here and even parts of southern Alabama, you guys. So we'll definitely keep an update on this here, you guys. As we take a look at the European world real quick, you guys, you can see here valid for Tuesday morning as well. You can see the frontal boundary here stalled out. Piece of energy here coming in towards the northwest Gulf. As we get into all right, this is about overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning. You can see the European starts a very broad low here. Nothing, as I said, nothing tropically organized. We have high pressure to the east of this system, to the north and east of this system. So it's going to slowly creep to the north here, you guys. And as you can see, the European actually brings this inland across southwest, south central Louisiana, you guys, sometime overnight Wednesday into Thursday morning, and as it continues to move on into Louisiana. So it's going to be something we're going to continue to keep an eye on, you guys. As I said, it's not going to be anything that needs to be of real danger or immediate concern, just something we're going to keep an eye out for to see how it may do with rainfall totals and stuff. But I'm gonna come here, you guys, real quick, and let's take a look at the rainfall totals possibly for the next 5 days. All right, if we get it to load. All right, you guys, and as you can see here, with this potential Gulf low, you can see most of the heavy rain is forecast to stay over the Gulf of Mexico, over the Gulf of Mexico waters here, but we could possibly see about an inch or two come creeping into the inland areas and along the coastal areas. So it doesn't look like it's going to be too much of a big threat, big deal, you guys. But as I said, if you haven't done so already, be sure to share, like, and subscribe so you can stay up to date and weather aware on the latest and also on the latest of this Gulf low. That's going to be it for this one, you guys. Everyone be safe, be careful, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.